18 years. One typewriter. Zero suspects. Between 1978 and 1995, someone mailed 78 encrypted letters to newspapers across California. They called themselves the Zodiac Copycat, but police never confirmed a link. Each letter contained ciphers no cryptanalyst could break. The typewriter was a 1960s Royal, traceable to thousands of units sold in San Francisco alone. Investigators matched the ribbon ink to a discontinued batch from 1974. Then in 1996, the letters just stopped. No arrest. No deathbed confession. The typewriter was never found, and the ciphers remain uncracked to this day.